So I wanted to do a quick little video of this box that I built entirely from scrap parts except the plexiglass. So what it is, it's a plywood box that I've spray painted silver, as you can see, and then I just hit it with a red cam spray paint, and it's got a small little door handle latch on there. And what that is for, it's for the garage phone so it doesn't get dust all over it. So I'll just open it up, and you can see there's a small little magnet epoxied in, and then if you come over here, there's some rubber foam seals that are stuck on there. It's just got that adhesive back, and yeah, so it came out really good. That's pretty much it. I'm just going to mount the phone right here, and then I've got enough for, I guess, a cell phone or a mobile phone, depending on what you call it, depending on where you live in the world. But yeah, so that's it. That's a dustless workshop phone box. Yeah, there is a bit of a build video coming. There's quite a few clips that I did take. Depending on this, how this video goes, there will be a little bit of a build video that will be uploaded. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.